Okay. Today's Subaru XV GT edition with Eyesight.
Yes, Eyesight.
Eyesight,
before that, how do you like the color? Nice, right?
I don't know, it's a bit. I'm sure people like it, but for me it's a bit more feminine, I think.
Asia's next top model, this car. Okay. All right.
Okay,
so yes, let me tell you a little bit about this Eyesight thing. Okay. First time.
No need to tell me. Okay. Just.
Don't want to know.
Oh, you're doing the review, right?
Yes.
So I don't need to know, you just do the review,
but it's good to know, bro. Like why this is important. Okay.
Okay.
Right, so this is the first time the XV has Eyesight. Okay. Do you know what Eyesight is? It's not this. Okay.
You driving also never use your Eyesight.
Yeah, okay. So this Eyesight has 6 advanced driving features, okay? So you've got pre-collision braking, throttle management, lane departure and sway warning, adaptive cruise control, and lead vehicle start alert.
So how are you going to show all of this now?
Don't you worry, I have a way. I'll show you in a bit. Let's just mic up first.
You mic up first now.
Thank you.
Where's this kepala? Macam got Land Rover?
Please lah, this is my sayang lah. Let's not leave it. Look, it's not. I don't trust Subaru's Eyesight, but you know, let's just choose.
You don't trust your driving, right?
No. Oh, okay. So yeah, here we go. So we're gonna stack these up in some shape, form of a car.
Okay.
And then we're gonna
hope that it doesn't go into the.
It's not gonna hope. It's just to show that it's going to work. Okay. It's not hoping. Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
I'll take your word for it, lah. Okay.
Yes.
So how are we shaping this? What, pyramid?
Okay. Let's try to build something that looks like a car. But yeah, pyramid.
Okay. So this is the pyramid car, lah.
Yeah. Because you know, it's sophisticated, right? That thing.
Right.
All right.
Okay.
Alright, so yep, let's...
Are we leaving the Landy here?
No.
Okay.
So yep, let's get into the Subaru and try out the pre-collision braking.
You don't want to move the Landy?
Yes, I'll move it now, of course.
Okay, Nat, we are ready to go, ready to roll.
Okay, all rolling.
Romba nandri. Okay, so what are we doing now? You put the boxes already.
Okay, so the reason why we put the box there is because we want to try out the pre-collision braking. You've done this before? Pernah try tak?
Tak pernah, bro.
Okay.
Tak pernah langgar kotak.
Okay, so tak pernah
langgar kotak.
Okay, so macam mana dia jalan is dia akan brake sendiri. Okay, so automatically it will brake for you just because it senses danger that you're going to go into something. Okay, but before
so this is the addition of the Eyesight lah.
Yes, this is one of the features of the Eyesight.
Okay.
So before it does that, a warning will come up on the meter cluster here.
Okay.
Saying that pre-collision warning. Okay, so and a buzzer.
Okay.
And then the car's gonna stop.
So I'm gonna drive like normal lah.
Yep. Okay. So I guess let's just try it out so you can experience it. So just drive like normally, you know.
Drive like normal lah.
Yeah. I know it's a bit So let's buckle up. Yeah, it's okay. It's the Subaru, man.
Okay. Ayo, kotak.
See? It works, right? I know it's scary, but you know, in a real life situation, you won't have time to think. So the car thought for you.
Okay.
Okay, yes. You will get shocked, but you know you're safe. Car's in front safe. So that is pre-collision braking. Okay. Alright?
It works. That's all I can.
Yes, it's not a nice experience, but yeah.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
Okay. So what are we doing next? What is the next Eyesight we have to?
Just recording already. Okay, start again. Sorry.
So next, what are we doing? We have to. What's the next Eyesight?
So in this Subaru XV, the Eyesight, right? It's not just any pre-collision. So it's actually quite clever. So it's on top of pre-collision braking, it's also got pre-collision throttle management. So what it does is when it senses danger, it'll cut off the throttle.
So no power lah.
No power, yes. So to try to.
So just say no power lah.
Okay lah, say no power lah. Okay. So to try to emulate this situation.
So who's our guinea pig in the front car?
So Hana. Saya dah memang pujuk dia.
Okay.
To try and do this because we can't use boxes.
Have you done this before?
This one I've never done before.
Very good.
I have trust in the car and you should be fine.
Okay, so we are going, huh?
Yes, to emulate this.
So what do I have to do? Just drive only, right?
Just drive.
Okay.
Before you have to go a little bit back.
Okay.
As we're driving towards Hanaka, the system will recognize the car.
Okay.
And then once we get closer, just like a traffic light situation,
Okay.
she's going to turn right, like I say the light has turned green,
Okay.
but she's going to go a little bit out and then brake like something's happened. So
Okay.
the car should just cut off the throttle, and once again, like the pre-collision braking, the warning is going to come up and then she just cut off the throttle.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
It is nerve-wracking, but we'll have faith in the car.
So kita jalan, huh?
Yes, let's go do it.
Hannah, really? Okay, we stop. Okay, Hannah, please indicate and turn right and then brake abruptly.
Okay, go lah sekali. Okay lah.
Obstacle detected. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we finished the two eyesight already.
The collision stuff. Okay.
So what is the third eyesight?
So that keeps you safe from the standpoint that it stops you. So this one keeps you safe by helping you to stay in line.
Stay in line, huh?
Stay in line, meaning
So this is like lane departure alert. Is that what it's called?
yes, this is called the lane departure and sway warning alerts. Okay, so it's not going to help you steer the car.
Okay.
It's just going to give you an extra awareness that you are going out of your lane. So that is the lane warning. So you'll have a buzzer. It'll say, come back to the middle lane. Of course, something like that.
Oh,
So there you go. So that's the lane departure. So the swaying thing is a bit different.
okay.
It sounds the same, right?
Yeah.
Lane departure, sway. Sounds like you're just going out of your lane, whatever it is.
Right.
So actually what the sway thing is, kau dah drive jauh-jauh, kau dah penat, kau mesti sway kiri kanan.
Kau macam kira orang yang tengah penat tu je.
Yes, you pernah nampak like lorry drivers, whoever they're tired, they will be swaying inside their lane. So this is what the sway warning does. It'll help to give you a warning to make sure that you are.
So you bangun lah balik.
Yes, the buzz will kind of like wake you up and make sure that you stay in line.
Right.
Okay.
Right. Bro, so now what about adaptive cruise control? I mean, that's the basic lah. That has to have,
Yes, that's all the rave right now. Adaptive cruise control. Okay, well, I'm glad to tell you the XV has that too. So you've experienced 4 out of the 6 eyesight features of the Subaru XV. So the other 2 is adaptive cruise
So
control.
that means I'm gonna be following you lah, right?
Yes, of course. And
Okay.
we're gonna experience also the lead vehicle alert.
Oh, that one basically is that when you move right,
Yes,
I will get alerted and then I can just continue.
correct. Yes,
Okay.
okay. So
Okay.
to experience this, I'll drive my car, you drive the Subaru, and then we'll communicate to walkie-talkie. Okay. I'll show
If
you when
anything,
I'm slowing down.
I will let you know lah.
Yes, I will show you when I'm slowing down to see if you're slowing down with me. If I'm speeding up, you're speeding up with me. Okay.
Okay.
Alright, so I'll see you in a bit.
Mr. Long, please come in.
Cameras all running, right? Yeah.
Okay, Ferdy, are you ready to try the adaptive cruise control?
Let's go.
Okay, set it up and follow my speed.
Setting up. 1 second. Okay, got it. Let's go.
Okay, just to show how it adapts to my speed, I'm going to slow down now, and let's see if your car slows down.
Yes, I am slowing down. I am definitely adapting to the speed that you are following in front of you.
Okay, let's try a speed up and see if it follows.
Yep, works like a charm. Definitely picking up speed, and I don't have my foot on the accelerator.
Excellent. Okay, so let's try out the lead vehicle start alert. So we're gonna come up to a full stop in front where there's a traffic light, and there it should give you that warning. So as we come to the stop, the auto cruise control will still be engaged, but it should stop the car for you at the same time.
Oh yes, it has. Indeed.
Okay, let's give a launch and see if you follow and have that warning.
Yes, it is definitely following you. Okay, oh, you wanted to drive, right?
Yeah, I really want to try it out.
Okay, very good. So just before you drive though, a few new things you have to later mention when we are doing the video is that of course now you have Android Auto, right? So it means that your navigation is all sorted lah.
Okay, but is it a wireless thing or
it is wired Android Auto,
Okay.
but at least you're charging your phone up at the same time as well.
Two birds with one stone, nothing wrong with that.
Exactly. Then it's got a very nice reverse camera, which if you want to put the car into reverse, you can see for yourself. Two views in one, excellent. Some cars can't even do that. But you can also change the if you want.
Excellent.
So you can look at how things
Every
are around
angle,
you.
right?
You depending on how many dimensions you want to live in 2D or in 3D. That's all up to you. Then the other new thing I suppose you should mention also is that you've got memory seats now.
Oh yes.
Memory switch that you can adjust. There you go. Okay, have fun.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, very good. Have fun. And then last but not least, later when you're driving, you'll definitely know this. So now there's Subaru Intelligent Drive. Okay, you've got basically two drive modes. The S that you see on the steering wheel yang tu, that's like a sports mode lah. So when you click that, you can look at the torque curve.
Okay. Oh, there we go. So yeah, I can see a flatter torque curve.
Yeah. So it's a bit more responsive. It's a bit more agile. Because you do know Subaru is always famed for their handling, kan. So gives you that added boost a bit lah.
Oof, feels like I'm in a rally car.
Okay, I don't know about that, but yeah.
But yeah, it's still a nice thing to play with, I guess.
Yes, of course. And then of course you've got the dual function X mode for the different terrains that you're going to be driving in when you need it lah.
This being a Subaru, it has to have the legendary all-wheel drive system.
Correct. So that's basically what's new, which you don't just have to jangan lupa mention nanti.
Okay.
But we can start lah kot kalau kau nak buat driving impression kan.
Yalah, apa lagi? Ni masuk S mode belasah dah.
Hey, slowly lah. Hey. Oh, suka kau?
Oi, sedap lah. I cannot even see through the station.
Exactly. That's what I was doing just now. I was like, what's going on?
Nice, I like it.
It is.
I like it.
It is. It is a very refined CVT, okay?
Yeah, definitely nice.
I mean,
yeah, that's why I've driven the WRX with the CVT, and that was nice. That was like one of the best CVTs I've experienced.
yeah.
This is nice.
Yeah. Ini kalau bawa pergi Sepang rasa shock sih.
Sure.
Yo, amak.
Yeah, feels nice, nicely balanced, nicely rated.
Adam, 5 seconds, give us your impression.
Very nice, very balanced. Like it.
Very good. Ayo, amak. Traction.
Nice. Yeah, perfect.
Okay, good. So I think that's a wrap lah.
Okay.